Hello everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to make Optimus body. First, you will want this piece and this piece. We'll put that on the side, like these pieces on the side. This is the main piece. Want these two legs to put these. That will be this. You'll want these glass parts. You don't have to have like these. You don't have to be see-through or this color, whatever you like. You gotta put them here and here. Then you need this piece to go under. And then you want this piece, this piece, the same piece. Then put it here. So I'll make this really long. Then you want these, all four. See, 1, 2, 3. You need 4. But this here, what you got here, just keep doing it until everything matches on every side. Now, the legs are almost done. You need these, this. You want to take this, place the dots here. Now, the legs are almost done. You want these two to go here. And what I said, any stud you like. Then you'll want these pieces. You can make it flat or not. I didn't use flat pieces, so we can just take this and do it like this. Don't have to be flat. Anything like. So basically, the legs are good. These pieces are super important. Don't lose it. You want this piece and then attach it here. Push it all the way so it'll be hard to take it out. And then have this piece. Do it. See how Optimus is gonna be in vehicle mode is that you take this, fold it like this, and then twist it. Or you could just by twisting it and then do this. And then this piece goes here. These two are pretty important. You put them here like this. Same scene on every side. Now you'll want the horns on be our truck. So you'll want these two pieces. You want to put it here and here. But you'll ask, where did the arm go? Easy. You have this piece. This will be the arms. You put it on top of here, and then it'll look like a little arm. You guys do it just for it to transform, tilt it. Then do it on the other side. See, if you curve it as a triangle, so I'll make a little bit bluish detail. You have these for the faces. You don't have to, you can put vent pieces, but it's up to you. Then finally you have another glass bead, and then you want to put it here. So here you go, Optimus Prime's body. Bye.